Someone once asked how smart people make wise real estate investment decisions. It's simple, I said to them. Abide by the rule of 3. 1. Find a reputable property development company. 2. Select the most premium development. Chances are it will be situated in a location with the highest return on investment. 3. Ensure the property has the right title. Claridge I by Veritasi Homes offers you every opportunity of a smart investment. Located at Sangotedo, Lekki, and with a verifiable C of O title, you are rest assured of a secured investment. Veritasi Homes has developed and delivered housing opportunities to over 1,000 Nigerian families. You can be next. Do not let this opportunity pass you by.
My name is Ali Baba. When it comes to making smart real estate decisions, you should be talking to Veritasi Homes.